guys, today we'll show you how to mine Memfi coin and other 6 coin. Like you see, Memfi coin will be launched in October 9, like they told in their channel. In October 9 it will be launched. It's time to earn some Memfi coin for this month. Let's go to other Memfi coin and see how it's work. Also, a link will be in the first comment of the video of all mining coins that explain our channel Telegram. Join our channel Telegram. Like you see, this is our Memfi coin bot. All link will be in the first comment of the video. Also, I'll explain the big update of other coin in this video. Watch carefully. Like you see, it's simple. It's in clicker coin. Like you see, you join and start clicking like that, collecting coins. For the first, you go to boost. You do like you see, this is how it's work. You can claim every 3 hours. You can claim every 3 hours 1092 coins. Like that, you enter to boost and claim every 3 hours this amount for free. You buy after collecting coins. Here, after tapping and collecting some coins, you level up. Here you buy damages like that. This is for energy, this is for upgrade. You have reached maximum level in booster. Like you see, this is the typer. Here you find some tasks here to do. Like I told you, with me bad connection. We return. You go to Earth. You collect some coins here. You can, like we see, this huge number of coins. You do all these for one moment. You collect a huge number of coins in this section. After that, you collect every 3 hours coins. There is here gems. It's claim every 3 hours. It's just a game of spin. You collect your gems from playing, and for spins, you can spin for 1 gem, for 2, for 5. Like you see, it's simple. I already complete this mission. Like you see here, there is your Memfi coin listing coin. Like you see here, airdrop. Like you see, you level up. This is for our Memfi coin that will be launched in 9 October. Let's go to our other mining bot. A huge update. Like you see, it's the second season. Like you see here, the power. Here our coins to mine. This is our 6 coin from the first season. The power here, it's converted to mining power here. It gives me 0.3 mining power every hour. Here you click, like you see, it's a clicker bot. You can click here. If you go here, there is miner. When you collect coins, you buy cards here to maximize your earning. Like you see, there is tasks. You do tasks like I told you. You do tasks like that. I already done. You must say in video 15 minutes. Just wait 15 minutes. Here converter. You can convert like that your coins or your Bitcoin. This symbol of Bitcoin, it's just not Bitcoin, it's the coin of the site. You convert your coins mined to power mining here. This is how it's work. It's very simple. Your coin is collected from tasks and miner. You buy for here you buy cards to maximize your earning. For every card, it gives you a power mining for hour. It's very simple and very easy. Like you see, if we click here, there is airdrop. There is the roadmap of the site, like I told you. This is a level. I still in a stone miner. You have time to mine this coin for free, like Memfi coin in the first comment. Also there is many other coin to mine, like blum and other mining, all listed in the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.